After we installed the new LED electric fireplace and replaced the gas logs that were in here, it was time for a mantle. This fireplace never had a mantle. The rocks are very uneven. It's very difficult to measure the height because the hearth is also the same kind of cultural stone. So it was going to be a big challenge for someone like me to actually make this work. But what we finally decided after watching numerous YouTube videos on how other people had done it is that we were going to put in kind of what they call a floating mantle, and I was going to drill holes up here, and then I got this threaded stock, and put that into the holes, and then drill holes into the wood for the mantle we got and put it up there. I figured I was going to screw it up because it was just pretty technical, but it actually worked. For the mantle, we chose Parota wood, and we picked up a couple pieces down at Heritage Salvage in Petaluma, and I believe in measuring twice, cut once. Therefore, I also buy twice because I'm going to screw one of them up. But this is the unfinished Parota wood that we got from Heritage Salvage. And then I just kind of lightly sanded it, and then put on this Osmo Pollux oil high solid something or other, and it darkens it and brings out some of the different grain. This natural, it looks just fine. We've seen it in other places where nothing was put on it and it looked just wonderful. But we put it on there, and I guess I could always put this one up and we could change it during the year, kind of like Christmas decorations or something. But so this is the finished version that I'm going to install on this fireplace. So I have the 4 bars in there. I'm going to cut those off, but I have enough wiggle room to bring them level. So the next part is cutting those down and then marking the back of the mantelpiece. Okay, let's see if this all works. There you go. Floating mantelpiece. And I did check it, and it is level. Yay! The mantle is up. I'm pretty impressed with myself that I was able to get it up and level. I think it looks good. I like this natural wood. Some of the YouTube videos and other people talk about kind of gluing or using liquid nails for those bars from this rock wall into the mantelpiece. I haven't done that. Not that I'm going to move it, but it does seem very solid. The friction fit, because everything is a little tight with those bolts into the rock wall and to the mantle are pretty stable, so it's not really going anywhere. We don't have earthquakes here, so I'm worried about anything falling off. It's very stable. Got a few things up here to kind of give the perspective of the mantle with the fireplace and the hearth, and I think it looks good. I think we made a good choice. I was kind of surprised that I was able to get it up there with my minimal amount of construction skills, but hey, if this old man can do it, you can too. So, we're looking forward to your mantle project being put on YouTube. Otherwise, here's ours.